In this video, we bring to you an amazing shipping container project in Pacific City, Oregon, United States. This amazing house is built using shipping containers through and through. It is built using 3 shipping containers, 2 20-footers and a 40-foot shipping container joined midway in a T-shaped layout with selected areas given pull-outs to accommodate indoor living spaces, more specifically the bedrooms. So from this frontal view, this building is well balanced and is a product of Oregon-based shipping container company Relevant Buildings. The house is elevated several steps off the ground level to keep the shipping containers away from moisture. From the entrance, you get into this open plan living space, a well-furnished living area with a lounge space. We have a round dining table on this particular end, and this big workspace on this extreme left-hand side. Notice the big size of glass windows that flood this amazing living space with natural lighting. That is another view of the living room showing the lounge space. I like this orange sectional couch. That's a closer view of the dining. A nice round dining table with 4 seats, and this is the full height sliding glass door opening onto the outdoor deck, an ideal place for your barbecues or outdoor lounging as you enjoy the view of the outside. That's a general view of the living space showing the kitchen on the extreme end, the dining on the foreground, and the lounge area as indicated right there. You will notice these wooden beams that are used to cover the joining portion of the 2 20-foot shipping containers, giving a bit of character to this amazing house. This is the kitchen, very well appointed with stainless steel appliances, the nice kitchen backsplash, this dark colored cabinetry, and the big glass window to light up the sink space. This is another view of the kitchen space, very well done, high quality kitchen appliances and cabinetry. That's the view of the lounge area from the kitchen. I like this portable like workstation to add counter space to the kitchen. That's a view of the kitchen window. I like this open shelving for additional storage. That's one of the bedrooms, very well done. We have this pull-out section to create enough leg room to allow uninterrupted movement around the bed. I love these bedside lamps, very well done, and they give a lot of character to this bedroom. That's another view of the bedroom. We have the TV mounted on the wall. We have a closet space right there. I like this slit window right above the headboard to enhance daylighting in the bedroom. Another view of the bedroom showing the access corridor on the extreme end. This house has a laundry closet with the barn door to access this stacked washer and dryer. The house has got a lavish bathroom. It has a fully tiled shower cubicle. We have a wash hand basin. We have a bathroom mirror right there and a toilet. This is one of the small bedrooms. It is equally sizable with enough space to move around. We have 2 windows for daylighting and enough closet space for your storage. There's this direct access to the deck from this bedroom, to also create a good indoor-outdoor experience. This is the rear of the building. You can see the building is elevated off the ground. There's a bit of outdoor seating, yeah, to just enjoy the ambience of the outdoors. There's another view of the house from one corner of the plot. This property is listed as a guest house on Airbnb. Feel free to check it out using the link in the description below. So which part of this amazing property appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. And if you are looking for a YouTube channel that showcases shipping container projects, feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel, where we bring to you amazing shipping container projects from around the world. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.